it's Miss Madeline and welcome to another math class. On this video, Miss Madeline is going to help you with the homework. Check my progress, page 803. Now, circle the figure that represents a composite figure. Now, what is a composite figure? Remember that a composite figure is made up of two or more figures. Now, which of these figures that you see in your book is made up of two or more figures? Now, the answer for this one is the second one. Now, after you circle this, you're going to explain why these figures are not composite figures. So, you're going to write in your own words why these figures are not composite figures. Remember, a composite figure is made up of two or more figures. Do you think that this figure and this one are made up of two or more figures? No. So try to explain in here, in other words, why these figures are not composite figures. Number 2. Circle the formula that can be used to find the area of a rectangle. Now, you can go back in the lesson or you can look in the videos and see which of these formulas is the one that is used to find the area of a rectangle. Number 3. For exercises 3 and 4, refer to this rectangle. Okay? Now, let's start. Tile the rectangle. When they are asking you to tile, that means that you're going to draw little squares in the rectangle. Draw unit squares. Now, for unit, that means that you're going to divide your rectangle into 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many rows? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, after we finish this, let's count to find the area. How do we find the area? We count the little squares and then you write the answer in here. Okay, I will not tell you the answer for this part because you only need to count how many square units do you have. Now, for number 4, you need to write a multiplication equation that can be used to find the area of a rectangle. Now, remember that area is equal to blank times blank. So, with this equation, you're going to write 1 for the rectangle. Okay, next page. Find number 5, find the area of the rectangle, write the multiplication equation. Remember what does the equation to find area is, so you're going to use these two numbers to find the area. Okay, remember the area is equal to length times width. So you're going to write a multiplication equation to find the area of this rectangle. Okay, so you're going to write it here. The answer is not area is equal to length times width. Okay, number 6, find the area of a rectangle. Use the distributive property to decompose the longer side. Show your step. Remember, area is equal to length times width. This is length and this is width. So you're going to use the distributive property. Remember that when you use the distributive property, you decompose the longer number and then you add to find it. Okay? Refer to the drawing at the right for exercises 7 and 8. Now, Seth painted the figure at the right on his wall. How many square inches of paint did he use? Now, here you have a clear example of a composite figure. Can you see that two figures are making the whole figure? Now, what do we do first? We need to decompose to show which two figures make this figure. Now, I can draw a line to find out that this is rectangle number 1 and this is rectangle number 2. Now, first we need to find the area of rectangle 1, and we already know that the area is equal to length times width. So we multiply 9 times 3 and then we find the answer. Now we are going to find the area of figure number 2. Now we already know that the length is 3 and the width is 3. So we multiply 3 times 3, and after we do this we need to add our answers. Now here you're going to get an answer and here you're going to get another answer. If you add the area of rectangle 1 and the area of rectangle 2, you will find your answer and then you need to write it in here. Okay? Now, number 8. Refer to exercise 8. Decompose the composite figure in a different way to find this area. Show your steps. On exercise number 8, you need to find another way to decompose it, but number 8, please do not do it, okay? Now number 9, which equation can be used to find the area in square feet of a rectangle with a length of 8 and a width of 4? Remember that area is equal to length times width. Okay, now, so what is the answer for this one? You guys need to circle the correct answer. Okay, so that is it for this homework. I hope you understand it. Bye.